Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, water jets, nice FADAL vertical machining centers for many, many years. We've been in business since 1954. FADAL's been one of our favorite machines to buy. They're definitely a heavy, heavy duty machine. You can just look at this machine and see it's going to be much heavier than some of the competition. Really nice condition on this machine especially. If you look at everything, it looks like all original paint. You got all your original scraping here on the table. Looks really nice. Ways are in really good condition. Machine sounds great. It actually says it has 88 hours on the controller. I can't guarantee that, but that is what's on the controller. I don't believe they've even changed this CPU out. They were using it in a muffler shop and they didn't do more than one job on it for the life of this machine. So you can see it's been in really good condition. We're gonna run it through its paces, let you see everything move. Got the automatic tool changer. We'll move the table around a little bit. You can see the high and low changing of the spindle, and we'll go ahead and start it out. First thing you'll notice here is going to be our tool changer. You can see our table moving now. This is a nice FADAL CNC controller. I'm not sure if you could see from the glare, but we could see our running down our program. Our spindle at 7,000 RPM. Cat 40 tooling. And if you have other machinery that you'd like to trade in, if you're looking to move up to a FADAL or some type of machining center, and you even have a press brake or another type of machining center, let us know and we'd love to help trade it and get you exactly what you're looking for. You can see our tool changer. Now we're moving our spindle up to 10,000 RPM. You can see the 10,000 RPM. I think it's at 3844 RPM. We're in our higher range of our program. So we can increase our speed of our spindle. Let you get close to that, you can hear how nice the spindle sounds. That's at 6,500. 7,600. Spindle sounds really nice. Back to about 4720 there. See our table, we're obviously moving big moves, but it's just showing you how smooth everything's moving. The machine's not level right now, so everything will be much more precise, obviously, once you level it. But overall condition on this machine is really, really nice. It's got automatic lube in the back. If you're looking for this type of machine or any other, if you have something to trade, if you have another brand, please give us a call. Let us know what you'd like to do, how we can help you in the industrial world. Our phone number is 626-444-0311. Please check out our website for some great financing options at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.